bans Argentina goalkeeper Martinez. FIFA has imposed a 2-match ban on Argentina's World Cup winning goalkeeper, Emiliano Martinez. On Saturday, the Argentine Football Association announced that Martinez has been sanctioned for offensive behavior and violating principles of fair play in 2 separate incidents. The first incident occurred after Argentina won the World Cup qualifier against Chile on September 5th. Martinez held a replica of Copa American trophy near his pubic area. This act was similar to his controversial celebration with the Golden Glove trophy after Argentina's victory in 2022 World Cup final against France. Meanwhile, the second incident occurred during Argentina's 2-1 defeat to Colombia on September 10th. Martinez allegedly hit a TV cameraman's equipment with his gloves. Due to these actions, the Aston Villa star was sidelined for Argentina's upcoming World Cup qualifiers against Venezuela on October 10th and Bolivia on October 15th. The Argentine Football Association has strongly disagreed with FIFA's decision, stating in an official release, "It should be noted that the Argentine Football Association expresses its absolute disagreement with the decision taken by FIFA Disciplinary Committee." Martinez, a key player in Argentina's recent successes, including their Copa African victories in 2021 and July of this year, will be missed as the team continues its World Cup qualification campaign. Currently, Argentina leads the South American qualifying table with 18 points after 8 matches, with Colombia trailing closely behind, just 2 points adrift. This decision is a setback for the Argentine national team as they look to maintain their position at the top of the qualifiers. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more sport updates.